Jerry, dinner's ready. I wanted to show you guys what we're having tonight. I made the Protective Diet pesto pasta in the blender because some of you said you make it that way, and I find it to have turned out to be like just an overall green color, no flecks of the basil and the parsley. So I prefer it in the food processor in case anyone wanted to know. I think it has a better look to it. It tastes just as great. We're also having cucumber salad dressed with the sweet onion vinaigrette, and I added dried leeks to that as Dorothy suggested. She's been adding the leeks to everything. Those allium family vegetables are so protective. And then we're finishing off our meal with some frozen mangoes because my refrigerator's still broken, and tomorrow hopefully it'll be fixed in time for class, and I'm looking forward to that. My protective lemon peels, preserved lemons to finish off my meal, some flower water, tuber tonic. I can't wait for tomorrow night's class because we're going to be talking about protection, how we're getting it in whole spices on a protective diet, and what it's protecting us from. It's so exciting. This material that we can apply 3 times a day, if not more, if we're not stopping the snacks. Take care. I can't wait till live class tomorrow, everyone.